Hello everybody. So through this session we'll continue grammar, and in grammar we'll continue with conjunctions or connectors. So this is a part 2 of this topic. So as we discussed in our last session also, that conjunction or connectors are of three types: coordinate, correlative and subordinate only. So our coordinate and correlative we have done in our previous session. So today we will discuss our subordinate conjunctions. So subordinate conjunctions or connectors are many. For example, who, whom, whose, what, when, where, why, how, if, till, until, while, than, that, lest, since, because, before, after, though, although, whether, whenever, wherever, whoever, as if, as though, so that, as soon as, etc. However, subordinate conjunctions are the connectors which joins a subordinate clause to the main clause. Further, we can classify these conjunctions under many categories like conjunctions of time. For example, when, while, before, after, till, until, since, as soon as. Further, we will see them, try to understand them with the help of some examples. For example, I will go dash, you come, she cooks her food dash, the child sleeps. Next, I shall get up dash, the sun rises. So first of all we'll see these three. First of all, we can clearly see that these are two, like one is principal clause and other is a subordinate clause. I will go, you come, she cooks her food, the child sleeps, I shall get up, the sun rises. So principal clause and the subordinate clause. Now how to join them? First one, I will go when you come, joining the principal clause to the subordinate clause, showing time. So conjunction of time. Other, she cooks her food, the child sleeps. So she cooks her food while the child sleeps. Again, conjunction of time. Third, I shall get up before the sun rises, joining the principal clause to the subordinate clause. Similarly, he retired to bed dash, the show was over. Next, wait for me dash I return I have known him dash he was a child and he got up dash he saw me. So he retired to bed after the show was over. Wait for me till I return or until I return. I have known him since he was a child and he got up as soon as he saw me. So these all are conjunctions of time. So next we have conjunction of cause. These are because, since, as, for, that, etc. Now we'll try to understand them by just few examples. First is he failed dash he did not study regularly. Dash it is raining I cannot go. I am glad dash he has passed. Now we have to give causes here. So he failed because he did not study regularly. Now joining the principal clause with the subordinate clause. Dash it is raining I cannot go. Now here we can write down since also and as also. So since it is raining or as it is raining I cannot go. In the third also we have to give the cause. I am glad that he has passed. Similarly we have conjunctions of condition also. These are if, unless, etc. For example, dash you work hard you will succeed. So we can clearly see that here principal clause and the subordinate clause and condition is there that if you work hard only in that condition you will succeed. So definitely conjunction of condition here is if you work hard you will succeed. Similarly dash you are honest you will not get success in life. So it will be unless you are honest, you will not get success in life. Now we have to keep in mind also that unless is a negative word, negative in itself. So you are, unless you are honest means you, if you are not honest, you will not get success in life. Further we'll discuss because, since and for. If we talking about the meaning, three of them just give a reason. However, if we talk about because, it is the most powerful and it has the maximum force of reason. Since is lesser in force than because, and if we talk about for, it has the least force as compared to because or since. So because is the maximum, since is after that, and for is the lowest. For example, I must go dash my mother is ill. Second, he could not catch me dash he was lazy. Third, he cannot be trusted dash he takes everything casually. Now just before filling these blanks, see the reasons. First one, mother is ill, so strong. He was lazy, and as he takes everything casually. So according to the height, or you can say the intensity of the cause, you should use because, since and for. So as it is clearly seen here that my mother is ill, this is the strongest, so it will take, definitely it will take because. A person is lazy, so since he could not catch me since he was lazy, and takes everything casually, a trait of character only, he cannot be trusted, for he takes everything casually. So like that only we have to use because, since and for. Next is that, and we know that that is used in indirect and direct speech. So like, he said I am going, he said that he was going. So use the connector that for joining the reported and reporting speech. So with this I am just winding the session here only. Thank you.